the car wash, the car has to be clean and dry, and the temperature has to be semi-warm. Can't be too hot in order to perform this. You don't need a heat gun, but the heat gun is, I will say, highly recommended to avoid heat bubbles. Not heat bubbles, air bubbles. But I'll show y'all how to get those out without a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun. I don't have a garage, so I don't feel like waiting on nobody. But we about to get this bad boy wrapped. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all didn't, because it's about to be lit. What's up, YouTube? Is it recording? About to going to start wrapping this car up, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all didn't. So these are all the things you really need. You can't get a heat gun if you want to, but you really don't need one. Soother, you know, a blade, and it's an edger. So I'll leave a link in the bio for you guys. We're gonna start right here by the fender side. So fender side, I want, might use something like this. Yeah, I'm about to wrap it before it rains. I might do that right here though. Yeah, this is a good spot for that. So we about to go in and peel this bad boy off. The plastic is already off the top. I really should have used the heat gun. I fucked up. But hey, that's fine. I can always go back over with a heat gun or just tear it off. But yeah, do it yourself, man. You don't need to pay nobody to do this. Yep. So, y'all need a heat gun to keep them creases out. But other than that, I'm gonna give me a heat gun, and I'm gonna show y'all an updated video. But I'm just getting it on, y'all. Look at my air bubbles. Yeah, keep soothing it. Heat gun. Oops. Finish my car without a heat gun, but I highly recommend a heat gun, guys, because you're gonna have some cracks. Not some cracks, you're gonna have some air bubbles and stuff like you can kind of see close up. But I did it myself, guys, so give me credit for that. Took me a long time, but if you don't feel comfortable, I recommend a professional. But I don't have the money to keep seeing a professional for shit, so I'm gonna let this car pass and we're gonna go on and finish recording. So yeah, I did this all myself. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, please. And I hope y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all didn't. This is not it. I'm gonna wrap the roof black and the wing black. That's why you don't see wrap on there. Without further ado, here we go. Wait, I wanna back this baby up, so let me get y'all down about right here. About right here. Let's balance this phone about right here. Okay. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'm gonna start giving out money on the giveaways, man, alright? Not that y'all need it, but hey, we don't like money. Make sure y'all subscribe. That's my wrap. Like I said, I highly recommend a heat gun because you're gonna have some air bubbles and some creaks in it. But please subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the best, but damn, can y'all please show me some love for this car? Really appreciate you guys. I love you guys to subscribe or even just watch without subscribing. Thank you, enjoy, and please have an outstanding and wonderful weekend.